Here is why it matters. Leonardo sketched the aerial screw in the 1480s. The drawing shows a tall wooden frame covered by tight cloth. The frame resembles a giant twisted screw wrapped around a pole. Workers would turn a crank at the base to spin it. The spinning cloth pushes air downwards. The downward air forces the machine upward. This creates lift, the force that lifts objects. The form is simple, straight beams and curving ribbons. The design uses only wood, rope, and cloth. The function is to rise by pushing air with the screw. Many strong people must turn the crank quickly. Faster spinning means higher lift and higher flight. Balance is kept by spreading the frame wide. The machine would be noisy like a large windmill. It would need a flat, open field to operate safely. Leonardo called it an air screw and thought it could lift a man. The idea was centuries ahead of current technology. Real helicopters appeared 500 years later with engines. Modern rotors and drones follow the same principle.